Karen Cosio, and I'm the Director of Clinical Simulation here at Mercy College's new $5 million simulation lab. When we were first thinking about the planning for the lab, I was lucky enough to meet Glenn and Heather from CSAV, and they helped to make our vision for the lab a reality by designing an audiovisual system that included cameras. There's cameras in the ceilings, microphones in the ceilings. They hung monitors, and everything works seamlessly with the layer dome mannequins. CSAV has been critical, instrumental in bringing the vision of this learning clinical simulation lab to a reality. It was really wonderful to work with the techs and the team. The equipment they install will really help our students pass their NCLEX, become better nurses, and hopefully get better patient outcomes. Thank you, CSAV.